Hey everyone, welcome back. If your payment is not going through the Walmart app, first start by checking your payment details. Then make sure that your card number, expiration date, and security code are entered correctly. Then confirm you have enough available funds in your account. Check that the card has not expired and is enabled for online purchases. If you're using a digital wallet, make sure it is properly set up and verified. After that, try switching to a different payment method to see if the issue is card specific. Then, ensure that your connection is stable while completing the payment. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the error is network related. If not, make sure that your connection is stable so your app operates smoothly. Then, if the payment still fails, contact your bank to confirm there are no security blocks in your card, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.